सबके थाली खाली और दो के थाली में पकोड़ा और ये अपना
मान्य करके
जिलेबी।
एक सेकंड।
तो माता जी बोलने में तो एक्सपर्ट है, मुझे मालूम है। तो
ये
उसी
तो माता जी नहीं, आपकी बेटी के बराबर हैं।
मैं अपनी
ये तो
बात
आपकी
रख
बेटी
रहा
के
हूँ।
बराबर हैं। प्लीज लीडर ऑफ द अपोजिशन,
सर
प्लीज
ये
लीडर ऑफ द अपोजिशन।
मैं उस बहस में नहीं जाना चाहता हूँ जो 267 का, क्योंकि अब की स्थिति क्या है, आज की किस ढंग से लोकसभा और राज्यसभा चल रहा है और कैसा उसके बारे में लोगों बाहर भी हमारा इम्प्रेशन है और आप भी जानते हैं, हम सभी लोग जानते हैं, तो वो मैं इसमें जाना नहीं।
प्लीज सर।
मैं सिर्फ आपसे ही रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, जो कल बजट पेश हुआ उस बजट में किसी स्टेट को कुछ नहीं मिला और सबके थाली खाली और दो के थाली में पकोड़ा और ये अपना
मान्य करके
जिलेबी।
एक सेकंड। मान्य करके
ये दो छोड़ के
मान्य कर।
किसी को नहीं मिला कुछ, ना तमिलनाडु को मिला, ना केरला को मिला, ना कर्नाटक को मिला, ना महाराष्ट्र को मिला, ना पंजाब, ना हरियाणा, ना राजस्थान, ना छत्तीसगढ़, ना किसी स्टेट को कुछ नहीं, दिल्ली को नहीं दिया। तो मैं कितने गिनूं, ओडिशा को कुछ नहीं दिया। तो ऐसा बजट मैं कभी नहीं देखा और ये सिर्फ किसी को खुश करने के लिए, कुर्सी बचाने के लिए वो ये सब हुआ है। इसका हम खंडन करते हैं और इस ढंग से बजट पेश अगर हो गया, मैं समझता हूँ कर्नाटक से आए हैं
सर, लेट द ऑनरेबल फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर।
नहीं, कर्नाटक से आए हैं सर। हमारी तो अपेक्षा ऐसी थी सबसे ज्यादा मुझे ही मिलेगा, लेकिन इतना हमको तो कुछ नहीं मिला। तो इसका तो हम खंडन करेंगे, प्रोटेस्ट करेंगे और सारे इंडिया पार्टी अलायंस, सारे कन्याकुमारी से लेकर कश्मीर तक। नहीं, मैं बोल देता हूँ, उन्होंने तो बोलने में, माता जी बोलने में तो एक्सपर्ट है, मुझे मालूम है। तो उसी
तो माता जी नहीं, आपकी बेटी के बराबर हैं।
मैं अपनी
तो
बात
आपकी
रख
बेटी
रहा
के
हूं।
बराबर हैं।
तो इसीलिए सर मैं खंडन करता हूं, अगर आप जिस जगह अपोजिशन पार्टी चुन के आ गई, जिस जगह आपको निग्लेक्ट किया गया है या लोगों ने नकार दिया आपको, उस जगह कुछ नहीं मिला। और लोग अगर ऐसा आप करते गए, अगर बैलेंस नहीं होगा, डेवलपमेंट कैसा होगा? आज आपके साथ है, कल लोग वो दूसरों के साथ हो गए। ये तो लोग अलग समय में अलग अलग से करते हैं, इसीलिए मैं इसका खंडन करता हूँ। हम सभी पार्टी के लोग इसको खंडन करते हैं इस टाइप के एटीट्यूड के लिए।
Sir, Honorable Finance Minister.
Sir, thank you for giving me an opportunity to respond. Much before I respond, they would like to make a lot of noise and go away. In the true spirit of democracy, they don't even want. Sir, it's a senior leader of the opposition, Shri Mallikarjun Kharge, who stood up to say his views on what he heard of the budget yesterday. I would think, and maybe it's a bit too much to expect, that in the honor of democracy, at least the opposition would have stayed here to listen to what I have to respond now that the leader of the opposition raised issues on the budget which was presented yesterday and tabled in this House yesterday. Just to the point that he raised, that I have not named many states and probably spoke about only 2 states. There are a few points which I have to table here with your permission, voice here with your permission, as to what happens in a speech Congress party has been in power for a very long time in this country. They presented so many different budgets, and they would know clearly that in every budget, you don't get an opportunity to name every state of this country. I'll take this example. Between vote on account, which was presented on 1st February this year, and now the full budget which was presented yesterday for this year, I have not named very many states. But let me take the example of Maharashtra, for instance. Between vote on account and yesterday's budget, in vote on account and in yesterday's budget, I had not named Maharashtra. I'll take it as an example. Cabinet has, under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi, passed a very important decision. It has taken the decision to set up a very big port in Vadavan in Maharashtra. Did Maharashtra get ignored because I did not mention the name of Maharashtra? 76,000 crores have been announced for that project. Maharashtra's name was not taken in the vote on account, nor was it taken yesterday. But does it mean that we've ignored Maharashtra? And I can take the name of so many other different states where we have major projects, one. And second, if the speech does not mention the name of a particular state, does it mean that the schemes of the Government of India, the programs of Government of India, the externally aided assistance which we obtain from the World Bank and ADB and AIB and so on, institutions such as that, don't go to these states? They go as per a routine. And actually the expenditure statement of the government, the department-wise allocation of the government, clearly item-wise mentions all this. This is a deliberate attempt, and I'm saying this with responsibility. This is a deliberate attempt of the opposition parties led by the Congress party to give an impression to the people, oh, nothing has been given to our states, it's only been given to 2 states. I would challenge the Congress party for all the budget speeches that they've delivered, that in each of the budget speeches, have they named every state of this country? This is an outrageous allegation. This is an outrageous allegation. And now that they have come here, now that the TMC has come here, I would like to say, now that there's a member trying to disrupt me, I would like to say, sir, even the schemes which have been given to Bengal.
Thank you,
even the schemes, Chairman, sir, you should allow me to say this. Even the schemes which have been allocated to Bengal.
Mr. Saket,
sir, you asked me to speak.
No, please don't shout. Don't shout.
To speak.
This is not a shouting place. Is it a shouting place? Dr. John Britas, Priyanka Chaturvedi, even senior member Dola Singh.
Sir.
No. Please, no. Take your seat.
Oh, sir, let me just finish, sir. I hope I'll
Honorable members, one second. Take your seat. 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 Please take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Honorable members, please take your seat. One second, ma'am. Honorable members.
Complete, sir.
Okay, finish. Finish. 2 minutes.
Sir.
2 minutes.
Yes, I will speak on Bengal. I've already spoken on Maharashtra for the members who chose to walk out of the house without listening to my reply. Sir, let me have some order, sir, in the house.
Honorable Finance
Sir,
Minister,
let me tell you, sir.
You will have ample opportunity to respond to each of them.
Yes, sir, but this kind of a statement by a very senior member of the House, leader of the opposition, it's I think, not acceptable. And let me answer, sir, the members from TMC. Even yesterday, the TMC questioned the budget, saying, oh, nothing has been given to Bengal. Let me just highlight the fact that the several schemes given by Honorable Prime Minister in the last 10 years have not even been implemented in
Okay, ma'am.
West
Okay.
Bengal.
Thank
Health insurance. And you have the audacity to ask me now?
Okay, Chandra.
Bengal should correct its
Honorable
course.
member.
ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಧ್ವನಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.